This year alone, more than 56,000 Americans will be diagnosed with pancreatic cancer. But now a company in California says it has developed a one-of-a-kind way to treat it. As Ian Cole tells us, it could lead to a longer and more comfortable life for patients.
Armin Farmanian was married to the love of his life, Mary Jane, for 58 years.
She was just a wonderful girl, and we never argued in the whole time we were married.
The two met working at Lockheed Martin. But 5 years ago, Mary Jane was diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer, given a few months to live.
I mean, she took it like a champ, I'll tell you. She was treated so well, you can't imagine.
We go across the tumor.
While there is no cure, they connected with doctors about a new procedure developed by Renovo RX.
Pancreatic cancer is not that common, it's about 3% of all cancers, but is one of the deadliest.
Dr. Reza Malik is on the team that developed a procedure that delivers chemotherapy just to a pancreatic tumor instead of across the entire body.
A test injected with a little contrast dye that shows the blood vessel. And here we see a little blood vessel that goes and steals the chemotherapy. So here we're moving the balloon back, inflating the balloons, and then chemotherapy is between the two ports and kind of soaking the tumor.
Dr. Malik says it's shown success in early studies of about 50 patients. Mary Jane was their first.
It kept her alive and happy. Other than that, she would have wasted away like cancer normally does.
She was given 3 months to live, but survived 3 extra years. Armin says the procedure was invaluable.
To have her one more day, yeah, that was worth it.
The treatment is still considered experimental. Clinical trials are scheduled to continue through 2021. Walmart is following in the footsteps of other major brands, raising the minimum age to buy tobacco products to 21. The company made the announcement in a letter to the FDA today. The age requirement was previously 18, except in states where the law requires a minimum age of 21. The new policy takes effect July 1st and also includes Sam's Club stores. A new study is shedding light on why some college athletes may not report concussion symptoms. Researchers surveyed more than 400 Division I athletes about concussions and found many of them were unsure about the possible impacts a concussion would have on their health. Athletes also considered the impact it could have on the entire team and were concerned about possible negative reactions from their coaches and teammates. Experts say the only way treatment can be effective is if athletes report their symptoms.